Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords umkhokha the curse. I've chosen a side right now. I've chosen a side. But let's start here. Angisho uManzimande was supposed to be her was supposed to be cut and whatnot, but uZamcolo stopped the whole process. So Manzimande decided to go to apologize to Nomkhosi, and Nomkhosi continued to be disrespectful. I don't like the fact that no one is seeing what Nomkhosi is doing to Manzimande. Like, not even one person, like, seeing and the things that she's saying and stuff like that. Like, you know, and that part honestly disappoints me, because I think if somebody could see, they will know Uguti, no, Unomkosi is really the snake when it comes to the whole thing. Because I think Uguti at this point, even Mabusi thinks Uguti Unomkosi is a victim, which she's not. But ke Mamzobe, I don't know ukuthi Mamzobe will ever be saved. Mamzobe ayishem udinga uJesu. Sibonile ukuthi le yakamvela semsebenzeli udinga uJesu uqobo lwakhe azodila naye. That is what I'm saying, that ukuthi uGirl phela has decided to forgive Ungema, call Ungema back to work without the permission kabani kalo, without the permission phakathi. Ugirl is just taking her own decisions, doing her own things, but Ungema is back and in full force, and Ungema, it seems like uyosebenzela uMamzobe and is going to join ibandla likaMamzobe, because what he wants is Mamzobe's forgiveness and wants to serve bona. But ke who's going to pay Ungema, because uMamzobe akasebenzi kusebenza uphakathi. With that said, I am disappointed with the whole thing of fighting for the position, right? Ukhulekani prayed for umsamo wakhe, and he was given a house, given cars, they have a new uniform for their church, like all the shenanigans they have, right, sharp, no problem. They wanted to give uZamcolo a new staff ukuthi azospama, because the other one ukhulekani usifihlile. Hayi nayo no problem, urejectile uZamcolo, wasiphula wasilahlela le. But now the two wives, being uNomkhosi no Mabusi, they were preparing their husband, reassuring their husband, and doing all those sorts of things. My problem became when Ukhulekani said he's going to found his own church and start it wherever he's going to start it, right? I thought Ugai will literally be independent and start his own thing. Can't you know, they started their own church right Pamgwama Tutia. Mangiti Pamgwama Tutia, Angiti next door, whatever. Like, literally a centimeter away from the whole thing. While uZamcolo was preaching, Ugenile Ukhulekani did his thing. And I think maybe this is why I'm not going to be Team Khulekani. I think Ukhulekani, with the power that he believes he's been given, he should have went and started his own thing, even if it's in the same space. But like le ekoneni, where they were not gonna hear each other and be in each other's ear. Now it's competition, and it's not a nice one, and it's just exhausting. But abantu basesayidini likaKhulekani, they are having fun, they're enjoying it, they're in for it, like ba happy. It's people abasesayidini likaZamcolo that are suffering, that seems ukuthi they are lost. I think ukuthi it's because of that uZamcolo is going to lose more members, and they are going to join Khulekani's church. What do you think? But Mina, guys, personally, I'm not going to watch Umkhokha until this whole thing finishes. I can't deal with it. The whole thing of fighting for the same thing, I can't. I just don't have the liver for it. But yeah, I still love you guys. See you when I see you. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.